Some of y'all ain't heard the trauma unit, so I'ma take you to March of 2000 and review it. Me familiar's been through it. Yeah, I had questions like, God, how could you do it? But I knew it wasn't him to blame. Although things weren't the same, I felt the rain as blood flowed out a broken vessel in my pop's brain. I never would have began to entertain these horrific thoughts and teardrops. I got rocked to discover his heart stopped. Over 4 minutes, critical cells with no oxygen in it. No pulse, no breath, all life signs diminished. In the nick of time, resuscitation proved it ain't finished. The trauma unit was his home for 840 hours. As he lay comatose, the situation was beyond all powers. There was more than 2 towers of opposition, like pneumonia, blood pressure, loss of weight, and nutrition. My faith was in transition from just mediocre to solid steel. See, it looked hopeless. My parents had no insurance deal. With $430,000 in hospital bills, it gets real. I'm trying to feel some relief from all the grief and the tension. My emotions now exist on a different dimension. My mom's can't sleep, but she's falling into a deep state of depression, not to mention my sister's upcoming wedding ceremony. My father was gonna do it, now I'm the only man in the fam and it feels lonely, asking the creator to hold me. Some days I'm weak, some days I walk boldly, cause I know that he told me, trust me, it's in my hands, but I wish that he'd show me. But I've learned his timing's not the same as ours. I'm talking about the CEO of the planets and stars. And even if he never healed my pop scars, I couldn't express his greatness with 100 bars. But you know what? The doctors were proven wrong. My family got mad strong. And even though 3+ years has been mad long, don't feel bad, this ain't no sad song. God supplied each and every finance, gave my father a second chance. Let us know that we had victory in advance. All it did was enhance our walk, inspire our talk, to encourage people from Germany to New York. As the prayers go up from my peoples at various venues, as my pop's therapy and healing continues, I don't know exactly what's next on the menu, but I tell you, if you're struggling, Christ will befriend you and make your path straight. See, I know the language of pain so I can translate. I know the love that can replace all hate. I know the peace that he gives is beyond great. So I put my dad in your hands and say, Heavenly Father, your will be done. Give me strength as I wait.